my name's Brooke with WTI. If you're looking for a great anti-wrinkle moisturizer, you gotta check out this one by goPure. I love using this because it keeps my skin feeling more hydrated and it lasts throughout the whole day. I like that I can use it around my eyes without any irritation or getting those milia spots. I love using products with the hyaluronic acid, with the vitamin E and the glycolic peptides, and I feel like this is doing such a good job for me as far as keeping my skin plump and happy. And I also appreciate that it's a soft smell, it smells clean, and the scent doesn't linger all day. It does absorb into my skin really quickly, and a little bit of it goes a long way. The 1.7 ounces has lasted me a very long time, so I love the way that this works for me, and I like that it's not greasy as well. And I love how it keeps my skin feeling so refreshed. This feels so amazing, it works wonderful, but that's just my point of view.